Joining us this evening on WHKY News, as he does each month, is District Attorney Scott Reilly, and he gives us an update on what's going on in the 36th Prosecutorial District. Good to see you as always, and
thank you.
We're going to start off with a fairly high-profile case. This was a case that was a triple murder and had a very young key witness as well.
Right. Unfortunately, the high-profile ones are usually the saddest, and this was the saddest case I've seen in a very, very long time. Isaac Christianberry pled guilty to 3 counts of first-degree murder on February the 19th. This stems from the killing of 3 people on October the 22nd of 2024. He killed a mother and her 2 parents right in front of the mother's 10-year-old child. He was the only person that, was the eyewitness. He was the crucial eyewitness. He had to give his account to investigators, and then he also testified at the sentencing, where Isaac Christianberry received a sentence of 3 consecutive life sentences. So I just want to recognize the bravery, the courage of that young 10-year-old boy who had to witness these traumatic events. Isaac Christianberry also pointed the gun at this 10-year-old young man. I want to recognize the crucial work that our Child Advocacy Protection Center does, because they rushed to the scene to interview this young child. They made him feel safe and secure and allowed him to give his account so that law enforcement could do their job and apprehend this person in a very time. They found him within an hour or so. And we were able to secure these convictions within 4 months of the date of offense. So,
I was going to ask you about that. This went to court pretty quickly, didn't it?
Yeah, it's the way it should be all the time.
Yeah.
And I was very proud of that. The Maiden Police Department, the Catawba County Sheriff's Department, the Lincoln County Sheriff's Department all worked well together. I felt like we all had a partnership and put this together for a successful prosecution. It's just horribly emotional to see a 10-year-old young man have to go through something like that, and his bravery, his courage, and his voice really provided the crucial part to secure justice for his mother and his grandparents.
Yeah, the bravery is just, it's hard to imagine an adult having to do that, but right. A 10-year-old, that shows tremendous courage, so kudos to that young man, and
exactly.
And we can only wish that things get better now for him. He's got some work to do, I guess, after going through
the
that.
whole family. Yeah. I hope that they can grieve and they can heal.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for your update, and thank you for the work you're doing for us.
Thank you very much for having me here.
We'll talk to you again next month.
Scott
Reilly, the District Attorney, 36th Prosecutorial District, that's Catawba, Burke, and Caldwell counties. He joins us each month here on WHKY News.